Welcome to Pigeon River Farm, efficient and effective drones on the farm video series. In this segment we will demonstrate the efficient and effective use of a drone in managing goats and sheep. At Pigeon River Farm we raise pastured poultry, cattle, goats, sheep and horses. Goats and sheep have a natural fear of aerial predators. To reduce the fear factor, we will begin our flight by slowly moving the drone into range and hovering as steady as possible at approximately 90 feet. With repetition the herd will also quickly become accustomed to the noise of the drone from this altitude. While hovering, we can quickly spot any potential issues that may need a closer look. We have also found it beneficial to take some additional time hovering from the higher altitude to observe herd behavior and identify potentially harmful aggression patterns within the herd. Next we will fly the drone in very slowly at approximately 50 feet to get a closer look where needed. We have found that goats and sheep will begin moving away from the drone in close proximity within the first minute. With this in mind, we have learned to carefully plan our approach to minimize disruption and make the most of the limited time frame we will have for close-up observation. Remember safety first. When piloting a drone, always follow the manufacturer's safe operating instructions and always comply with applicable federal, state and local licensure and flight regulations. Thank you for joining us today. Drone technology has proven to be a cost-effective and efficient tool for managing goats and sheep at Pigeon River Farm. Above all else, time is a farmer's most precious and perishable resource.